Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome to the next big idea. An incredible journey of innovation, passion, and game-changing ideas. Let's see what this team brings to the table.
Good afternoon to everyone who are present here. My name is Harish, and my teammate is name is Mohammed Farhan. We are our title of the project is RFID security. We have placed our problem statement. Like we use RFID cards everywhere. If you go to metro, we have like smart cards, which we where we place our money into the cards. So we use anytime, anywhere. Likewise, there are many like food cards, so etc. Our motive is to protect and give the security related to those cards to prevent loss of money. So RFID and these metro cards are like security-less. We can easily use the NFC tag and clone the cards. So cloning means like I can digitally like exactly copy those everything, name and ID and his wallet, how much money are there. So I can either use it, reuse it, or I can transfer those money to somewhere else. So in order to prevent that, we are introducing a mechanism what we use IOT based technology, which is similar to FOB technology. So using sequence number, permanent number. So these are like normal RFID cards which have a chip inside. So we'll completely terminate those instructions which are given to those chips. So we will write a code which will be encrypted so that we can introduce a permanent number which can't be cloned. So even if I use my phone to clone the card, they can't clone. So they only have the which can be cloned, those numbers only they can clone. So if they use those cards in areas like metro scanner or food court scanner, immediately it will show an error to those who are handling the database or server. This is not only for only metro purpose. We can use it as a hybrid. Whereas like we are using like GPay everywhere, which uses network. But nowadays sometimes we get like loss of network or no network. Sometimes payment will be processing but can't be paid. So in that we can use these mechanism like wallet pay, which is my idea, to prevent those instead of using network, we will use an offline payment mode where we can store the money in the offline. So with all these securities and those money can be stored in the wallet. So once we go to shops and we need to assign the server and everything so that they can scan and easily transact the money. So likewise, I'm thinking only for my project where uses where RFID uses. So wherever the RFID are there, we can collaborate with them and use simultaneously. So existing models like we have like YouTube channels. Those they teach us to how to clone cards. You also seen like many reels or situations where like cars have FASTag. They use their mobile watches to scan, like they will clean, but they are simultaneously getting the money from the FASTag chip. So so we can also integrate with that those projects also to reduce the outcomes of the loss of money. So you can think like nowadays metro is very less, but upcoming they are doing like many regions they are implementing metro stations. So our customer is those who are going to use metro. So who and all will use. Once a person goes to metro, then they will be completely like favorable to metro because they have a pleasant atmosphere where they can sit and get the fresh air. It will be more fast and convenient mode. So they will be adapted to those methods. In Delhi also you see there are many metros, but nowadays the metro also getting overloaded. But in many regions they are now rapidly constructing metro stations and metro buildings. So our project will be more effective when the time of metro will be in peak. So that's right. If one person is taking an amount of 10 rupees per person, if there are around 10 people traveling, which will be 100 rupees will be taken from their account. If it is a mobility like 1,000 or like more than 1,000, which will be like economical loss for the government and public also. They don't know, because they also doesn't know that their money getting lost or used. So that's why we are proposing this model to secure those money and transactions. We have participated in around 2 national and international competitions. So we secured a second place in the Pondicherry, and we secured second place in Pune, PICT, Pune Institute of Computer Technology, using same project but a different mechanism. First we have used like alternate changing number. So once if a person is taking a card, which is original card, this is, and this is cloned card. So every time the original card has been getting accessed, in this the server will be changing its alternate sequence number. So clone card can be changed. Once it cloned, the number will be same. But there are many consequences, like what if cloned person gets first? So the original person gets caught, right? So we further researched a lot. We introduced the permanent number system. So we can encrypt the chip a permanent number which can't be cloned. So it makes the process very low.
First thing is, have you heard about this UPI wallet system?
Yes, sir. There are many UPI IDs.
No. I'm not telling like this Paytm wallet, not that thing.
Okay.
Telling UPI wallet.
Like personally, bank accounts itself generating UPI.
No. Actually, there's a new system called UPI wallet introduced by UPI for this problem that you told me. Like there will be transaction errors and all those things. What happens is it will keep the transaction as a data. Once the internet is stable or once the bank servers are working, then it will transfer it. For a customer end, it will be like transferred. For the receiver end also, it will look like transfer.
Yes.
But eventually it will not be transferred. It will be on the hold. Okay.
Yes.
Second thing is, have you ever cloned a Metro RFID card?
Yes, sir. Using NFC tag, it's
No. I ask you whether you have done or not.
Actually, we currently not done. We actually
You try to do. You try
yes.
to do that once.
Yes.
Okay. See, the Metro RFID system is the most advanced RFID system used in the entire country. Metro RFID system.
Yes.
Okay. This is a French technological company. I don't know the name of the company. That they were the one who were backed by this technology.
Okay.
And no, the RFID has encryptions. The RFID has amount data. The RFID has a interchangeable last digits, and the RFID uses prime sequence number of a name for a person. For example, if my name is being encrypted into that card, that name, my vehicle number, or whatever the thing that I'm getting the card for, all will be stored as a prime numbers. Okay. So even if you take the RFID number and you clone it, until and unless they get my identity or they get my photographs and all those details, then only they can steal the card.
But Metro doesn't provide, like if you're going to buy this Metro card, they charge 50 rupees, but they don't ask our personal name or ID.
They are currently asking. You don't know the recent improvements done with that thing. Currently, they will ask for your name. And even if you're going in a vehicle, you're parking your vehicle, then they will get your vehicle number. It's not for tracking, but it's also getting all the details of you from the vehicle number. Because today, your license, your Aadhaar, all are linked together.
Yes.
So it is very easy for them to track your details and encrypt that details into single card, like Metro card. Okay. So it is easy for them to keep it a track on you. And second thing, RFID with basic, whatever the permanent number that you're trying to tell, can also be broken without encryptions. See, today, end-to-end encryption without internet or without data loading, they are having end-to-end encryptions. So technology is being so much fasterly grown in recent days.
Yes.
So you have to look into all those areas, because you will be left alone
Understood.
into the market if you're not able to.
So that's why we are trying, like not only particularly selecting one target. We are like hybrid mode. If in case, as you said, already these are the statements, like these test cases. If we face, we can alternately shift to other phase.
First thing, whenever you come to Metro, in metro people like to use RFID, but whereas in normal railway station like
Yes, yes.
MTC, I think so, MRTC.
MRTs.
Okay, so you take that normal railway station, they won't use this kind of system. Even they don't even have a web app where you
Yes,
can
yes.
scan and get the ticket. Why it is not, where metro is so much evolved, why the normal railway system is not evolved? You know why?
Understood. Because the tracks are fixed line, right?
No.
Oh, okay.
The system in metro is being so much of trap you have. You can't escape a metro station.
Yes, correctly.
You
Unless
can't
and
you
until
can't
we
jump out
get
of a metro train, or you can't run out of a train in between. You can't do anything. The system
yes.
itself is so much synced together
Yes, yes.
that all these advancements will enhance the overall system. Okay, but with normal railway tickets or with Adayar Anandabhan, you go and eat in a crowd, you would just, without RFID, you can run away, right?
Yes.
But when you want to pay, that's why still the waiter system is there. Even there are waiter robots available. There's no waiter robots readily to serve. Why? Because our people mindset, if they eat, they don't pay to the robot, they run away, means robot will not chase and come back with you, right? But this scenario can happen. Like you can't see much in maybe in Chennai, but you can find somewhere out of Chennai or out of Tamil Nadu, you can find a lot of this kind of things happening. Okay, so to the mindset of people, you can't change. So you leave that goal. Changing a person's mindset is foolishness. Okay, you just leave that goal. When you go to the technological part, look what can be done for the future. This is existing work.
Yes.
This cannot be done like today you bring it, next day it will be copied, then 2 days a giant can implement it.
Yes.
But you will left alone. Okay, so you should have a innovative approach to make sure that you alone have the best outcome of it. Okay.
Understood.
So that's what I just want to tell for this.
Okay, sir. No.
And now it's time for judges' opinion about the pitch. No worries, you can do better.